A diver will always need to carry a dive knife when diving. A dive knife will help you or a marine animal get out of an emergency situation. Dive knives can quickly go from a handy tool to a life-saving tool in just a matter of seconds, which is why you should always carry a dive knife when diving. Our guide video on the 7 best dive knives has all the choices you could hope for. We've included quite a few types of dive knives, so pay attention and pick the one best suited for your needs. If you are using any of the dive knives, then what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments.
Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing, from essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks. We have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally. Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 7. Thresher Dive Supply Diving Knife. Nowadays, scuba diving has become a very popular thing in today's world. Now a lot of people love to spend their holiday scuba diving. If you have a knife while scuba diving, you will feel safe and you can dive in peace. This Thresher Dive Supply diving knife is designed with a 5 inches half-serrated blade. The blade of this dive knife is made from titanium alloy. It is strong, lightweight, and corrosion resistant. It can be utilized in several different ways, including cutting fishing lines, nets, kelp, and the blunt tip version. It is also great as a prying tool. It features a rubberized grip handle that provides a secure and comfortable grip. It also has a leg strap and sheath. The sheath has a titanium end cap that can be used to tap on your tank to get another diver's attention. Whether you're fishing, snorkeling, or scuba diving, it will feel just as comfortable in your hand at the end of the day as it did the first time you took it out of the sheath. Number 6. Bahia Dive Supply Diving Knife. This supply diving knife from Bahia Dive is designed with visibility, safety, and versatility in mind. There are 3 types of blades on this knife, preparing you for any underwater emergency: a straight edge for slicing, a serrated edge for tearing, and a line cutter. The blade is made of durable 420 high carbon stainless steel. The length of this blade is 5 inches. With a bright green sheath and handle, this knife will easily be seen for quick access by both yourself and your dive buddy. It is perfect for emergencies or regular underwater use. This knife includes a locking sheath with a quick release feature, which keeps the knife secure when not in use but easy to access when needed. It also has 2 adjustable rubber straps, which attach to the back of the sheath. This knife attaches to the lower leg, out of the way of critical diving gear yet accessible when needed. This knife is perfect for diving, snorkeling, and fishing. It is suitable for both fresh and salt water. It is recommended to clean and oil the blade after use to increase lifespan. Number 5. Scubapro Mako Titanium Diving Knife. If you are looking for the best diving knife to suit your requirements, pick the Scubapro Mako Titanium Diving Knife. This diving knife is a knife like no other. It is designed for increased casting distance and durability. This titanium diving knife comes with a 3.5 inches blade. The Scuba rust-resistant titanium blade is incredibly strong and has the hardness to take and hold a sharp edge. It includes a serrated edge for sawing through the rope. It has a conventional edge for making clean slicing cuts, a line-cutting notch, and a bottle opener. This knife is crafted with a large handle that provides a comfortable grip to hold this knife easily. It includes plenty of gripping areas and a thumb guard to keep the knife from slipping. This knife includes a unique locking mechanism on the sheath that makes it easy to release the knife with one hand. Scuba builds high-quality equipment for the work, sport, and lifestyle of people whose passion is found below the surface.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Number 4. Cressi Borg Diving Knife. Introducing the Cressi Borg Diving Knife, it is a sleek and stylish knife that has all the features you need for a great diving experience. It is perfect for both professional divers and recreational divers. It also comes with an excellent design that makes it easy to use, even for those who are not familiar with diving knives. The Borg is a modern, large knife with a futuristic design and a strong, tempered blade made of 304 Japanese stainless steel. The length of this blade is 5.51 inches. One side of the stainless steel blade is straight-edged, and the other one is serrated right along the blade. They are both very sharp and effective for line cutting. The overall length of this knife is 10.43 inches. It comes with a handle that has an ergonomic design to ensure a secure grip even wearing gloves. It is separated from the blade by a small technopolymer thumb tab. This diving knife comes with a sheath that features a locking mechanism to allow one-hand release. The sheath of this knife also comes with 2 standard-issue straps to attach to your leg. It is a good knife for snorkeling, shallow scuba, and cutting fish lines. Number 3. Promate Scuba Diving Knife. Nowadays, scuba diving has become very popular in today's world. Now a lot of people love to spend their holiday scuba diving. If you have a knife while scuba diving, you will feel safe and you can dive in peace. This Promate Scuba Diving Knife is made from high-quality grade 304 stainless steel. It can be easily disassembled for cleaning and maintenance. It has a razor cutting edge and a serrated cutting edge. The length of this blade is 5 inches and 10.5 inches overall length. This knife features a stainless steel butt cap on the handle bottom. It also has an ergonomic handle that comes with a lanyard hole. It perfectly fits on the hand and feels comfortable. This knife includes a sheath with quick release and adjustable straps to assure the long life of the knife. You can use this knife when outdoor camping, fishing, geocaching, underwater diving, metal detecting, hiking, and more.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Punada Scuba Diving Knife. The scuba diving knife by Punada could be served for multiple purposes. Apart from cutting, it could be used for digging and detecting. It can be a good choice as a tactical knife when snorkeling, hiking, rescuing, camping, etc. This diving knife is made from 440C stainless steel with great sharpness, durability, and hardness. It has a razor cutting edge and a serrated cutting edge. It can offer you great protection when diving, and the stainless steel never get rust and could be used for a long time. The length of this blade is 3.85 inches and 58 Rockwell hardness. The thickness of this blade is 0.14 inch and 0.98 inch in width. This diving knife is designed with a comfortable handle. It perfectly fits on the hand and feels comfortable. This knife features a 9.45 inches heavy-duty plastic sheath. It uses a single-action locking system to make sure to hold the knife securely. The diving knife includes a black diving knife, a heavy-duty plastic sheath for the knife, 2 leg/arm straps, and a nylon material sheathing the knife.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. BOffer Scuba Diving Knife. In these modern days, there is a specific tool for specific purposes. With this in mind, the BOffer Scuba Diving Knife is a good example of such a tool that is used mainly in snorkeling, shallow scuba, and cutting fish lines. The main benefit of such a knife is that it gives you great control. It is constructed of durable 420C stainless steel. The steel is rust-resistant and corrosion-resistant. It comes with 58 Rockwell hardness. The length of this blade is 3.85 inches. The thickness of this blade is 0.14 inch and 0.98 inch in width. The overall length of this knife is 8.66 inches. It has a sharp edge that provides high performance. This knife features a 420C steel handle that has a comfortable grip to hold this knife easily. The diving knife comes with 2 sheaths, which are made of hard plastic, and the knife locks into it. It has a safety release button. It comes with adjustable straps so you attach it to your leg for hands-free swimming. It also came with a snap closure sheath to wear on your belt. It is a good knife for snorkeling, shallow scuba, and cutting fish lines. Thanks for watching. Hope you have no doubts about the 7 best dyed knives on the market. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a suggestion in the comment box if you think we can do better.